Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are back with another Hot Wheels, and this is a different car. I know I've been late for all these cars, but actually now I'm only getting this time to unbox them and just review them. I had bought them pretty long back, right? So let's unbox this and see how it is this from inside. This is Hot Wheels designed by series, right? And this is a purple passion, very lightweight. I don't think they have anything put in or in the car. This is Hot Wheels designed by series 1 by 5 Netflix. Over here, let's race. Let's unbox it and see how it is from inside. There is some, yeah, it is designed by Larry Wood, so one of the greatest Hot Wheels designer, right? See how the linings are going on this car. Purple passion, front grille looks awesome. In hand it actually feeling, I'm actually feeling some weight, but when it was carded I'm not feeling anything. I'm not sure why, but yeah, it is having some weight, guys. Yeah. Larry Wood design over here also, both sides. Nice linings. See the stripes going over here, right, on the car and the back. See the design of it. It's very good. You can see you can use it as a kitchen also for your keys, right? And interior is very good. This white interior. There is one window from the back. Tires are going inside in this from the back. Very good looking car, actually. Made in Malaysia. Base is different. I'm not able to see the Hot Wheels logo over here. See, there is some I think branding only, it's not mentioned. Something different I'm seeing today. Let me see others, right? We can see Hot Wheels written over here, but here it's not on the logo. Yeah, so it makes it unique actually. You can see the stripes, the purple passion. Some details are missing, which makes it more unique. And that's all for the car, guys. Let me show you how it rolls pretty smooth. And we'll just replace it by another car. Yeah, that's for today, guys. We'll meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.